The first day of Bauma 2016. Innovative, exciting and full of surprises.
We're looking forward to key announcements from Lugon and Caterpillar. So let's get on with the show.
Here at the greatest trade show on Earth is a name you'll definitely recognise.
As ever, Caterpillar's stand at Bauma 2016 is one of the most impressive. New models and upgrades, of course, but the excitement at the press conference earlier today was about their Smart Iron suite of digital solutions.
Do that by talking about smart iron. We've always been the world's leading innovator around the iron. We do that better than anyone.
Introducing technology for technology's sake is not worth anything, really. I mean, it all has to be focused around solving customer problems and giving a benefit to the customer. We talked about a $10 million saving for a marine customer with 8 vessels just by understanding the optimum time to clean the hull and improve fuel efficiency. If you think about the next 3 to 6 years, whether it be on the machines and the controllability with the electronics on them, or whether you talk about analytics and the capability of processing power, I think we're going to see massive change in the next 3 to 6 years. The ability to process data and get workflow out of that data is incredible.
So for Caterpillar, Smart Iron is the future.
Now, you can see behind me this glorious view of the whole exhibition, and that's because I'm standing on the largest ever structure that the exhibition has seen. It's a 5,000-ton asphalt plant from Benninghoven. Well, it's on the Wirtgen Group stand, and that is the second largest stand in the whole exhibition. It's the biggest stand that the group itself has ever offered.
The Wirtgen Group consists of 5 core brands today. It's Wirtgen, Vögele, Hamm, Klemann and Benninghoven. At this year's Bauma 2016 in Munich, we have the claim close to our customers to the power of 5. And what we mean by this is that we close the process chain in road construction. We offer everything today from crushing and screening, mixing, compaction, paving and rehabilitation. Well, very unique this year is that our new family member is on the stand, Benninghoven, and we have a fascinating exhibit. It's our asphalt mixing plant with a height of 50 meters. The customers have to come to our stand because you can really see a lot of technology and innovations on our display here. And the difference to our competition is that we are the specialists in all areas we offer.
So that's your update on the Wirtgen Group. Now let's cross over to Jonathan.
For Case, Bauma sees the launch of 6 new models in the D-Series and investment in 2 European manufacturing sites. Clearly, they're optimistic for the future.
This is an exciting launch for Case here at Bauma because we're able here to preview the new D-Series excavator. This is building on a 20-year collaboration with Sumitomo, and we're launching here our 13 to 50-ton excavators. The D-Series is even better than the C-Series because we're focusing even more so now on total cost of ownership. So we have better reliability, better quality, and critical, up to 8% less fuel. What we've done is we've benchmarked the major competitors and we're showing improvements over all of the guys in a quarry bottom or on a construction site, but it's tough to put a percentage on it because you'll appreciate it depends what the machine's doing.
The Fiat Group have a great slogan, which I'll read out to you. It says, "Enter the world of the road life cycle." And there's no doubt that their stand is proving to be hugely popular because of all the real innovations that they've brought along to Bauma.
One key success certainly is that we invest a lot in research and development, in technology. On this booth you can see more than 25 new products, fully new, which is, I think, quite a high number.
On my right here you see our newest generation of single drum rollers. This is the flagship product of Bauma. We've increased the cabin space for operators, so we now offer a 20% larger cabin with larger glass surfaces. This gives the operator a much better visibility around the job site. We also look at the economy of our machines, and what we've now added is an eco stop technology. So if the machine is in idle for more than 10 minutes, the engine switches off, and in this way saves a lot of fuel for the owner of the equipment.
Bauma today has all machines which you can see here in yellow is Tier 4 final. Means we have reached the last emission regulation that is demanded. So we have still some time to do this, but Bauma is ready already with these things. You have segments where you have to bring things forward. For example, dust emission when you are in a milling process. And here you have different kind of dust inside. On one side it is the dust you can see. You see these fog of dust, which is today filtered out by traditional mechanical filter systems, but there is a very fine dust inside, and these fine dust we are getting out with systems you can see, for example, on this milling machine, and there's a Bauma patent on it, where you have an electrostatic solution, which takes the dust out you're not able to see. And this is the more dangerous dust you have. And all these are things which are, from our point of view, unique. So this is what you bring in big machines. If you have these hand-used machines, for example, temper plates, which are used today in a trench as well, you have to be careful that the emission coming out of the engine are not dangerous for the operator. So Bauma has a gas temper available, which is protecting the operator of these critical particles inside of the dust. So to give you another example, you reach the level of perfect compactions just one step before you start to destroy the road again. So it means if you are able to have an intelligent system to measure the level of your compactions, you can tell the operator to stop in the right moment. And this is as well one speciality of Bauma. We already have it in bigger equipment, in bigger rollers since many years, but today we are able to bring it in smaller rollers, cheaper rollers as well.
Time now to see what Marini have to offer.
The Fat Mixing Plant business unit is proud to introduce 3 brand new mixing plants. One is behind me, it's the biggest one here at the exhibition, it's the B-Tower 2000. It's a mixing plant up to 160 tons per hour, and it can be fully shipped in container, so every module can be fit into a container and sent worldwide. So it's a mixing plant for all the medium and premium customers who are looking for simplicity, reliability, machines that can be transported from one job site to the other.
So that's Marini's news. Over to you now, Jonathan.
At Bauma 2016, Lugon Dresta's advertising slogan is "Tough world, tough equipment." A tough trading world has meant they've focused their attention on export markets.
The last year has been challenging, most of due to China's slow economic growth. It's time for us to adjust our position of force, focus on the key opportunities, and be open and ready for a brand new field of play.
Their 925E and 933E excavators are both Tier 4 and therefore ideally suited to European markets.
We're really looking to promote to Europe and also our international guests the new range of excavators that we have here, the E-Series. They display new advanced hydraulics. People are looking for more productivity from machines, and having the ability to dial in the power mode into the machine to select power boost or economy mode gives the customers the flexibility that they need.
For Dresta, they're showcasing their S-Series bulldozers, the TD8 and the TD9, both with hydraulic drives, providing infinite speed control. So it's not just about dozers and excavators. Here's the all-new 856H wheel loader. This has an impressive 3.3 cubic ton bucket, fitted with a pay scale, so it's ideal for aggregates.
With Stage 5 engine emission standards due in 2019, Cummins is the first engine manufacturer to take the wraps off its Stage 5 engine solution.
Guten Tag. I'm Tom Linebarger, Chairman and CEO of Cummins. I'm excited to be with you at Bauma today. There's no better place or time to reveal our next generation engines for Stage 5, which I'm sure you can guess are underneath these covers.
We revealed today 4 engine platforms, but we will look through our whole product line as we go through Stage 5. We have taken the opportunity to reinvent our engines and redefine them. We see Stage 5 as more than just meeting emissions. We want to take advantage of the opportunity. We've been able to remove EGR throughout the product line based on our 12-liter experience that has already achieved an EGR-free product. We are able to increase power on average of up to 10%, and in some cases able to increase torque up to 30% over the Stage 4 product.
Well, what an extraordinary day. We've had everything from smart iron digital solutions to Case launching 6 new models of the D-Series.
To the tallest structure that Bauma's ever seen, we've seen innovation, fast-moving technology in an industry that never ceases to amaze.
Roll on tomorrow.